Joshua. I'm from Singapore Armwrestling. This is my second time in Astana, training with Alizhan. Today, I brought my friend Aloysius, also from Singapore Armwrestling. And today is our very first training day. We came here yesterday, we just reached. We are still tired, but we are looking forward to training with Alizhan. And today we'll be training fingers. So the first exercise, we'll be doing the barbell overhead press. So this is essentially the warm-up for the first exercise, to warm up the body, to warm up the shoulders, the chest, everything. So as you can see, my friend is also first time training in Kazakhstan, so the weather is quite cold. So he's trying to get used to the weather. Yeah, and for me, I'm very tired, but I'm excited. Yeah. So today is my first year under Alizhan's guidance. He has taught me for 1 year, and I think I've gained a bit of strength, gained some strength from his training. We'll see how it goes when we start with the first exercise. So we'll be doing about 6 repetitions of this overhead press. Yeah, so as you can tell, it's still very cold, so my body is still tired, but it's going well. So as I was saying, Alizhan has taught me for about a year. I think I have gained some strength. I've competed once in Europe, Norway. I've gotten a silver medal for my left hand and a bronze medal for my right hand. So I think that's a very good achievement, being under his guidance. So as I was saying, today we're going to do wrist. It's going to be a very tiring day because wrist is one of the most tiring parts to train. But as the time goes along, I'll explain more what we're going to do and how it has improved my physical strength and my conditioning and everything in arm wrestling that's important. So yeah, we're still at warm-ups. Amazing. Alright. So this is my third set now. It's still going good. I think that every exercise we should use this barbell to do warm-ups. In my country, how my teammates train, we don't really use much barbells, but we have a different training style. So, but I think this is very good, good for the whole body, for the strength. It's something that Alizhan has taught me very well, and I'm very thankful. Is this last set or what? I do already. I did already. Yeah. So all the exercises are done in a very controlled manner, in a very calm way. You breathe in and out. Good. Okay. All right. Yeah, so this is currently my second exercise. Yeah, feeling very pumped because of the weather difference. So I got to keep up. Still no excuse to be any weaker. So right now we are doing the bench press. For me, I think why the reason we are doing the bench press is because we are training a lot on our pushing movements, the chest, the shoulders, everything. But this is still not the main exercise. I honestly think that, as I said just now, that all these exercises should be used in arm wrestling exercises because this is very important for strength training, to gain strength, to gain muscle. Yeah, so as of now, my friend's still going strong. Very, very good boy. So, I think the biggest challenge is the altitude. It's very hard to breathe here. In Singapore, it's hot, and here it's too cold. So, we need some time to adjust. I'm still going strong. So we shall see how it goes. Today is just my first day. Tomorrow will be my second day. Third day, fourth day, I'll be here for 9 days. 9 days of cold air, 9 days of training. So hopefully I'll be able to survive. I will survive. Good. Doing biceps, biceps. This is our first main exercise. Still going light. So the whole purpose of this is to, of course, build the bicep strength, build the wrist strength. Yeah. So we're doing about 10 repetitions, 10 times, and then you'll move on to the heavier weights, and the repetitions will drop, and you get harder to breathe. We shall see how it goes. How are you doing, man? He's doing well. It's good. Good boy. "15 reps, quick repetitions." Tired. But it's good. Keeps the bicep, the blood flowing to the bicep.
I want your shirt.
Yes, it's at home. Tomorrow I will give you. I will bring to you.
Thank you.
You like? Good. Good shirt. No, speed curls, man. This is the cable rope hammer curl. It's for the forearm muscles, good for the back pressure and the top rolling. Yeah, top row. So this is very strict movement. It's my turn. Strict movement for maximum contraction here. Good contraction. It's very good for the brachialis contraction. A lot of high repetitions for the blood to go into the muscle, to fatigue the muscle so that it can stimulate growth in the forearm region. Yeah, this is mainly for top rolling. Top row. So now we are doing somewhat of a wrist exercise for more of an inside movement on the table, on the cable. So we're now doing warm up about 10 repetitions, easy repetitions to get the blood flowing into the muscle, and then we'll go on to our real set. In Singapore, we do not have this table, this arm wrestling table in the gym. So for me, usually I'll buy this table, I'll put it at home. I have a gym in my own home. I spend some money to buy some equipment and arm wrestling table to train. So yeah. The correct way to exercise this way is to not move the shoulders, strict movement. Just the wrist, the fingers, just like this. So that you will just strengthen the wrist and nothing else. So this is quite good. So the rest cycle is about 90 seconds to be in between each set. This is to make the lactic acid disperse, and then you are ready to do the next set. Tired, but it's good. It's good training. So next year I'm planning to compete overseas. So I think this is a very good start for my training. Oh, whew. This is good, very good. I'm feeling a bit of shoulders, a bit of here, a bit of biceps, a bit of wrist. So I think the whole idea of this exercise is for the side pressure and getting that shoulder locked in. So it's good. Right, and good. This is my 5th exercise. pull-ups just halfway to train the wrist, fingers, and static at the end. Static. So my coach is angry that he's not doing properly. So this exercise has to be done properly. It has to be on the wrist, fingers, and good. Yeah, tired, but good. Хорошо. Woo! So this conclude the end of the training with first day training in Astana. Good training with my coach, Alizhan, 5-time world champion. Good boy.
Are you okay?
I'm okay, good. Tomorrow we'll be training. After this, I go back to eat plov and go sleep. Next day I'll go training. Where? Gym? Yeah, gym training. And yeah. So I'll be here for 9 days. I'll be tired for 9 days, but when I go back to Singapore, I'll be stronger. So yes. Thank you. Thank you, bro.
See you tomorrow.
Thank you, bro. See you.